you're new to worm farming, deciding what type of composting worm would be the best for you is a hard, situation, because a lot of people give you different advice. They'll be like, this one's better than that one, or that one's better than this one. But think about it. Everyone has their own preference when it comes to cars, microwaves, cereal, food, salts, and everything else. So we all have our different likes and dislikes. But the thing you need to think about is, why do you want to raise composting worms? If you want them just to eat food scraps, I would say just go with the red wigglers. They're a good composting worm. And if you're into fishing, go with the European night crawlers. Those are good as well. But if you're really confused and don't know which one you want because you're undecisive, then go with the mixed worm bin, with just a variety of worms, and try things out for yourself. And if you're still undecisive,